Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatriya Steno. Subscribe our channel for Steno related contents. Be ready for the legal passage. Start. The respondent complainant alleges the said certificate cum report is false, fabricated, motivated, and malafide, and the same was contrary to the minutes of meetings that the complainant and his officials had with the officials. Full stop. He further alleges that for the said reasons, the accused number 2 was demoted from his post full stop stanza. The respondent complainant alleges that on suspicion of such certificate cum report, the complainant visited the CSEB and on verifying about the same, he found that the said tender was being given to company of the first accused against the complainant's company, and so he wrote a letter to the Chief Secretary and Chairman of CSEB for verifying and cancelling such certificated full stop. He also wrote to many officials of the CSEB full stop. The respondent complainant alleges that the said certificate is per se defamatory as against the complainant's company and is a crude attempt to favor accused number 1 by spoiling the image of the complainant's company full stop. He further alleges that this caused a wrongful loss to the complainant's company by robbing its due chance to get a contract for the boiler plant units at Korba. Full stop. After recording preliminary evidence, the magistrate took cognizance of the complaint, which order was challenged in this High Court. Full stop. Before the High Court, the appellants inter alia contended that the allegations made by the respondent under sections 468, 420 and 500 of IPC pertained to the award of tender in favor of accused number 1, in which the respondent was also a competing party. Full stop. It was also pleaded that the said complaint has been lodged as an afterthought, having failed in the civil suit for injunction, which was dismissed, and likewise after unsuccessful attempt to challenge the award of contract in favor of accused number 1, as the writ petition of the respondent was dismissed by the High Court. Full stop. Thus, the lodging of complaint before judicial magistrate was nothing but abuse of process of law. Full stop. The appellants also contended that the respondents herein had no locus standi for any legal status to prefer the said complaint is not a registered company having a legal entity. Full stop. The appellants further relied on Naresh Kumar versus State Government SCC 766, wherein it has been held that an employee working in the electricity board is covered under the definition of public servant and state of Maharashtra. Full stop. The proposition that the absence of sanction order from the appropriate authority under section 197 CRPC for prosecuting full stop and over. सो ये हमारी नियर अबाउट जो है 90 WPM की डिक्टेशन थी विद फ्लक्चुएशन की, और बिल्कुल इजी डिक्टेशन थी, कॉमन वर्ड्स थे। तो अगर आपको ऐसी डिक्टेशंस और चाहिए तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा। थैंक्स टू ऑल, बी प्रैक्टिस फॉर अ बेटर फ्यूचर।